If you suspect your vehicle has a bad distributor, I want to go over some common symptoms of a failing distributor and how you can diagnose and fix the issue. Symptoms of bad distributor. So, what are the symptoms of a bad distributor? One of the most common signs is the check engine light turning on. The engine may have trouble starting, run rough, or misfire frequently. You might even experience backfiring. Since the distributor controls the spark going to the spark plugs and helps manage ignition timing, any issue with it can cause these problems. Additionally, if the timing is off slightly or there are spark-related issues, it's a strong indication that the distributor may be faulty. If you suspect a bad distributor, the first thing to check is the distributor cap and rotor. These components commonly wear out over time and need regular replacement. In fact, about 80% of distributor-related issues stem from a faulty rotor or cap. Start by inspecting the distributor cap. Check all the contacts for any buildup or damage. The center of the cap is where the ignition coil sends the spark, which is then distributed to each spark plug. Also, examine the rotor for any wear or carbon buildup, as any damage here can lead to ignition issues. If either the cap or rotor looks worn or damaged, replacing them is usually the best solution. If you decide to replace the distributor cap, be sure to transfer the spark plug wires carefully to avoid mixing them up. Each wire must connect to the correct terminal to maintain the proper firing order. A good approach is to line up the new cap with the old one. Then move the wires over one by one in the exact same order. Mixing them up will throw off the firing sequence and cause further issues. If you've checked the distributor cap and rotor and everything looks fine, the issue might be with the entire distributor, especially if the vehicle has high mileage. Over time, internal components can wear out, requiring a full replacement. The distributor is usually secured by a single bolt with a U-shaped bracket, typically a 1/2 inch or 9/16-inch bolt. This setup allows for timing adjustments by rotating the distributor left or right. At the bottom of the distributor, there's a gear that meshes with the camshaft, and it must be aligned perfectly when reinstalling. If it's off, the engine timing will be incorrect, leading to performance issues. Before replacing the distributor, you need to set the number 1 cylinder to the top dead center. This ensures the rotor inside the distributor is pointing at the number 1 spark plug position, which is crucial for proper timing and firing order. Once aligned, mark the position of the old distributor before removing it. When installing the new one, ensure the rotor aligns with the same marking. At the bottom of the distributor, there's a small notch that fits onto the oil pump shaft. This needs to engage properly for correct operation. Proper alignment is key to maintaining engine timing. Those are the basics of how to replace a distributor. If you need more guidance, there are detailed YouTube videos that demonstrate the process step by step. How to fix a bad distributor. If you're experiencing spark-related issues, misfiring cylinders, or rough engine performance, the distributor could be the culprit. The first thing to check is the distributor cap and rotor. Look for cracks, carbon buildup, or any visible damage. These are common failure points and should be replaced if they show signs of wear. If the cap and rotor look fine, or you've replaced them but the issue persists, the entire distributor assembly may have failed and might need to be replaced. The most important thing to remember when replacing a distributor or distributor cap is that the spark plug wires must be reconnected in the exact same order. If you're installing a new distributor, it also needs to be properly aligned to maintain correct engine timing. That's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to comment below. If this video is useful to you, please set like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.